Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 16 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, high knees. Number 2, lunges. Number 3, bicycle kicks. Number 4, windmills. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. Fast 5 workout number 16. Here are the following 4 exercises. Number 1, high knees. I'm gonna go and place my hands out in front of me. It gives me an idea of where I should be going with my knees. If you want to march it, that's okay. Okay, if you want to go a little bit harder, put your hands, start chopping, get your knees up as high as you can. Number 2, we got lunges. So I'm gonna go in a lunge. I'll go forward with one leg, and then I'll go back. And then I'm gonna go forward, and go back. I'm gonna do it 3 times. And then I'm gonna switch feet. Right foot goes forward, left knee hits down, and come back. So 3 times, and then I want you guys to switch again. Okay, that's lunges. Then we got bicycle kicks. We're gonna go on down to our bottoms. You're gonna go and alternate like you're riding a bicycle on your backs. Both your legs up, bring your head up, and you're gonna go and switch like you're riding an invisible bike in front of you. Okay, bicycle kicks. And the 4th one, we're gonna go and do windmills, come back up, feet shoulder width apart, right hand up, kind of like you're doing a disco. You're gonna go across your body, touch your toe, come back up high, come across, touch your toe, and you're gonna continue doing that motion. Make sure you stand all the way up. I don't want you guys doing this like you're swimming, okay? Make sure you reach all the way up and go across your body. All right, so stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. High knees, get them up. 30 seconds of high knees, let's go. Again, put your hands out in front of you, give you an idea of where your knees should be trying to get up to. Not again, if you want to march it out, that's okay. You can do that as well. Whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? Let's go. 10 seconds left. Keep going. Chop. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Keep working hard, my friends. We have those lunges coming up. And let's go lunge. I'm going to start my left foot forward. Go back. That's 1, 2, 3. Switch. Right leg goes forward. Back. 2, 3. Switch. 1. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good work. Don't stop. Remember the motto. Just finish. Doing amazing job. All right, let's go down. Bicycle kicks. Make sure you're on your back. Slightly elevate your hips. We're in 3, 2, 1, and go. Like you're riding a bike. You don't have to go fast. Nice and slow. If you want to speed it up, you can do that as well. You should be trying to get your elbows to your knees. All right, last one, windmills. Let's go, pop up. Across your body. Right hand touches your left. Go. Left hand touches your right toe. Up and across, let's go. Make sure you're standing all the way up. Doing amazing. I'm still with round 1. Keep it up. Let's go. Finish hard. Finish strong, my friend. All right, 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Your time gets water. Wipe off your sweat. Woo, that was a good one. So I hope all of my friends had a great winter break. I hope you guys enjoyed your time with each other, your families. Now go back to work. I know Mr. Garcia ate a lot of good food. And now it's time to go back and put in work. Put in work, my friends. You gotta start the new year in a positive way. Always think about the positive, my friends. Whatever situation you're in today, you will not be in tomorrow. Just continue working hard, and I promise you things will get better, okay? Just like these workouts. If you started back at fast 5 number 1, all the way up to now, 15, now 16, after this video is posted, you guys will feel better. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, high knees. Round 2, let's go. I want you guys to push hard, push hard. Work, you gotta work. Remember, just finish, my friends. Whatever we start, just finish. No quitting. 5 seconds left. All right, lunges, let's go. Again, we'll start with my left foot 3 times, and back. 1, 2, 3. Right leg goes out. Woo, comes down. Good workout. 2, 3. Woo, comes down again. Excuse me, sorry. See, we're not all perfect. Do your best, my friends. That's all I went to ask for. That's all I ask for. You do your best. When it's hard, you gotta work harder. All right, let's go. 2 more bicycle kicks. On your backs, let's go. Start your 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Definitely feeling it, my friends. All right, last one, windmills. Push your body, let's go, finish. Up and across, let's go, up and across. Touch that toe, all the way down. There's no rhythm, so this is my dance moves right here. All right, my friends, great job. You did an amazing job for this fast 5 workout. Appreciate you. Give yourself a high five. Give yourself a pat on the back. Great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that fast 5 workout number 16. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys thought about the workout. What was the easiest exercise? What was the most challenging exercise? What exercises you would like to see? Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.